Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the camera app and tapping the gear icon to get into settings. This is where motion photo lives. Once you're in settings, scan downward until you find motion photo or a similarly named toggle. Samsung labels vary by one UI version. Tap the label or icon to reveal options. If you don't see it, make sure camera is in photo mode rather than pro or single take, because some modes hide this control. Now disable motion photo by tapping the switch to turn it off. This stops the camera from saving short video clips with each shot. Alternatively, from the camera view you may see a motion photo icon. Tap that quick access button to toggle off without opening settings. Once disabled, take one test picture to verify the small video file is no longer created. If storage or gallery still shows motion thumbnails, close and reopen camera, or restart the phone to refresh system behavior. Finish by confirming the change. Take several photos and inspect them in gallery to ensure no motion clip is attached. If the setting didn't stick, force close the camera app and reopen it, or restart the device. That resolves most temporary glitches. If motion photo is absent or acts unpredictably, make sure your One UI and camera app are updated, because software variations can move or rename the toggle. If problems persist, clear camera cache or contact Samsung support for deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.